Welcome back to Slim's Automotive Repair. Today we have a 2019 Honda Accord Civic. I don't think it really matters, but if your TPMS light is on, your little orange tire light, if I had the foresight to think to make this video, I would have showed the little symbol on the dashboard, but it usually sits right about there. Orange looks like a little flat tire. When you fill up your tires, whether they're low from the summer, the winter, it's getting to be about that time anyways. Get your cars out of storage, or just with the temperature change, your tire pressure is going to change. Whenever you go to refill them, if you're a little confused on how to reset that tire pressure light, you can come to your radio if you got this kind of setup and go ahead, hit that home button right there. Click your setting button right there. Then go on down to your vehicle, and it's right there, TPMS calibration. Click on that, hit your calibrate, and then your dashboard will look just like that. The light will go away. About 32 to 35 pounds of pressure is typical normal in this vehicle. I'm just going to hit back, FM, wherever you're going to go with it. And then if you're looking to do your reset after an oil change on this, we'll go ahead and put that in the video. I'm not sure if I've done one on it yet. Go ahead, hit your home button there on your steering wheel. Scroll on down to your maintenance. Go ahead, give it a click. It'll display what you got there. Hold your reset. All due items, and you can see it's all completed. We got a short one today. I'm going to try to make another one today for everybody. Y'all be blessed and have a good one. I will post another video later. Don't forget to sub. I'm almost at 1,000 to where I can start collecting from YouTube for them commercials they be putting on my channels without paying for them. Y'all be blessed. Have a great day.